this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a spiral pasta known as Rotini. Scale the cube like this. Select the top face, activate the proportional editing and press R to rotate and Z for the Z-axis. Please use the mouse wheel to expand the proportional region and try to move the mouse in a circular motion. It takes practice, so please feel to try multiple times. Once you get the shape, press Ctrl 2 to subdivide in object mode. Apply the modifier and let's add some array modifiers. Please match my settings. Apply all modifiers. Since we'd need to separate and apply the rigid body, let's undo and work on the bottom meshes first. Add a new material. Go to Edit mode, press P to separate by loose parts. Set the origin to geometry. Press M and create a new collection. Duplicate them and rotate. Create a cube that will act as a rigid body container. Remove the top face and scale the cube. Add a passive rigid body to the container mesh and set its collision shape to mesh. Add an active rigid body to one of the Rotini meshes and copy the rigid body setting to the rest of the Rotini meshes like this. We'll need one more set of Rotini meshes to make it look good. Let's copy the material to the container mesh. Could you guess why I'm not able to duplicate the Rotini meshes? Shift-D won't work for some reason. That's because I'm on frame 227. If we go back to the first frame, then we'll see the duplicated meshes. Let's deselect the camera. Blender crashed. Earlier this morning, more than an hour of work was lost while making a snowman scene, because my Blender crashed without a warning. I have set my autosave to save files automatically in every minute, but that didn't work and I couldn't recover the files. Please remember to save frequently, and I've been pressing Ctrl+S to save frequently while making this tutorial video, and I was able to recover the scene this time. Anyway, let's work on the rest of the scene and render it. Add a new plane as the light source by equipping it with an emission shader. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the Rotini tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.